And with that new windshield, yeah, the bike looks kind of cool. I like it. Not much protection from the wind, but at least it looks cool. And like always, we need to get some fuel. Almost $4 a gallon. Oh shit, that's a nice DeLorean. So it's $4 a gallon. And let's see how many gallons are gonna go there. 4 gallons. There we got my chicks. Better Sportster. But how's the suspension? Is it better or not? No? Same shit? Hardtail? Awesome. And we got Road Glide Limited. So the last time we installed pipes on this one and the lights on the back, that looks pretty decent. But why is it just getting rusty? Okay, it's just it's hot. It's just corrosion. I can clean it off. Alright, so let's keep going. Yeah, so with this new windshield I got a little bit more wind on my helmet, but the visibility is way nicer. I can see actually the ground in front of the bike, so I kind of like it. And it looks badass. So probably right now I can just lower the mounting brackets on my helmet, because actually the camera is sticking out quite high. Yeah, and I hope that this microphone is working pretty good, because I was recording some videos yesterday, but I didn't have a time to test it out. So hopefully I'm not talking to myself. I'm wondering if they'll have a Pan America in a Harley-Davidson dealership, but kind of doubt it. From 0 to 60. I gotta say, the beginning of this season is pretty painful. My back is really killing me. So get used to it. That's okay, it will take a couple of rides and it will be fine. Okay, so we're almost at the Harley. I have to set up the test drive for the electric Harley Livewire and the Pan America. Alright, so we are here. Let's park it over here. Alright. Oh shit. Panic just like mine. Beautiful. That's fucking badass, dude. You need something like that. Yeah, that's pretty badass bike. California plates? What? Not too bad. This can be my station.
No?
This is pretty low.
Masz chusteczki?
Very cool.
Kurwa, nie.
What?
No co to się rozchodzi z tym?
Tak słuchaj, to Sparkbox.
Zajebiste.
Można tego?
To też chyba do sprzedaży, nie?
Dlaczego?
No nie. Tak dużo składu takiego kółka. How much was to take 2 bikes home?
It's 114.
I know.
Yeah, but this one is nice to break out. Gee. That looks nice.
I don't know, I'll see you on this one, dude.
It's all you.
Kurczę. No i jak to? Kamera to nie to.
Ten durak na tak jeździ.
No crash.
But it's matching with a hoodie. Oh, this Triumph's badass. Let's go and check out what's upstairs. Oh, this one? Yeah, that's all you did. Let me see this one. Oh, this one's not comfortable.
No?
Yeah, that's all you. LED lights?
Nie, tak mi się podobać, powiem.
Actually, this one was kind of nice. Tiger. What's the CC?
A50.
850? Less than a liter, that's a no-go.
Kurwa ciężki.
That's a 1200.
Ciężki kurwa jest. A lot of cool bikes in the dealership, but that Indian on the outside, the last bike that I saw, that's gonna be perfect riding bike for the city. And it's pretty powerful. It's 1200 cc, it's water cooled, and it's American, or should I say Canadian. So I have to go one of those days to the Indian dealership and take it for a spin. Also, that Triumph rocket, it's pretty badass, but the guy told me at the dealership that they don't offer any test drives, so that's a bummer. So we're going to the Broken Ore. That's pretty much like a local biker bar, so I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a lot of motorcycles in there. It's a pretty cool spot. It's right by the river. They have all kinds of stuff in there. Real cool spot. I hope that it's open. I don't see too many people over there. Yep, there are people. Okay, I can see a lot of bikes. pretty good, dude.
12 to fajne magarów z tyłu, nie? 8 duża?
Yeah, I think it'll be V8.
Big V8.
Yeah, that's sick.
To go wywali zaraz.
Oh. Dry clutch with pussy. That's fucking hilarious. Look at the skull. That's the shifter, dude. That's crazy.
Daj bankowi to.
Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Please remember to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.